Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, we will walk you through step by step how to implement factory design pattern. Let's dive right into the topic. According to Gang of 4, the factory design pattern states that a factory is an object which is used for creating other objects. In technical terms, we can say that factory is a class with a method, and that method will create and return different type of object based on input parameter it received. In many software applications, there are situations where classes need to be instantiated based on certain condition, user input or configuration. However, directly instantiating classes in client code can lead to tight coupling and inflexibility. The factory design pattern addresses this by introducing a factory class that handles the object creation process. Before implementation of factory design pattern, let me give you a roughly code example of factory design pattern. Then you will get to know what factory design pattern all about. Let's assume the condition. We have some product classes like product A, product B and product C. And end user can choose any product. So at runtime, we have to create a product class object on basis of end user selection. In short and simple, on some condition basis, we have to create an object of class and return that object. If you already know about scope substitution principle, then implementation of factory design pattern will be cakewalk for you. Let's jump into the code and implement factory design pattern in console application. Let me create a console application. Let's create a product class.cs file. And now I am creating some classes. Let's say product A, product B, product C and product D. Let me create an interface as well. Let's name it iProduct, which will have getPrice and getColor method. Now inherit this interface by each product class. Let me implement interface method in each class. Each product class have its method which return color of product and price of product. Let me add another class, product factory. Let's mark this class as a static class. Inside this class, I am creating a static method getProduct having a type parameter, and this method has a return type of iProduct interface type. And on the basis of type, we will return the object of our product class. So according to scope substitution principle, we can return derived class object, and this method has a return type of iProduct interface type, which is a base interface. Therefore, it will accept all the derived class object according to scope substitution principle. Let's write some switch case here. If our type is equal to the product A, then return product A class object. If our type is equal to the product B, then return product B class object. If product C, then return product C class object. If no case match, then throw an exception, invalid selection. Now it's time to call our product factory method. So I am calling getProduct method 3 times with different type and storing the class object and product details variable. And in console, I am displaying the color and price of all different type of product. Let's run our application. It has printed the product detail. Let's verify them. So product has a blue color and its price is 350. I have verified all the product details are correct. Let's summarize what we have done for implementing factory design pattern. First, we have created some class like product A, product B, product C and product D. Then we have created iProduct interface and inherited by each product class. Then implement the interface method. Then we have created a product factory class, which is a static class, and inside this class we have created a static method having a type parameter. And this method return type is iProduct interface type. With the help of scope substitution principle, we are returning the drive class object on basis of type. Here product A, product B, product C and product D are drive class and iProduct is a base interface. And scope substitution principle states that object of superclass or base class should be replaceable with the object of its subclass or drive class without affecting the correctness of program. That's all from this video. Leave your thought in comment section below. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you never miss an update. See you guys in next video.